Imagine a company installs a brand new whistleblowing hotline. Management pats themselves on the back for checking a regulatory box. But month after month, the system remains completely silent. Leadership assumes this means zero problems. In reality, a silent hotline usually signals a glaring alarm. It means there is absolutely no trust. If employees fear their complaints will vanish into a void, or worse, trigger retaliation, they choose silence. They might vent to peers or post anonymously online, but they avoid the official channel. A system perfectly compliant on paper remains functionally empty if workers doubt its confidentiality. An unused hotline protects nobody. This is the exact problem Speeki solves. Instead of confirming software installations, Speeki evaluates whether a whistleblowing system is genuinely trusted and actively used by the workforce. They measure the real pulse of a company. Because at the end of the day, a reporting channel is completely useless without the psychological safety to actually speak up.